Hi, I'm Kira Nasrat, global makeup artist for Almay, and I'm creating a New Year's makeup look for a dinner date. Starting off this makeup look with the Smart Shade Skin Tone matching straight up medium shade, I'm going to go ahead and even out my skin tone. Next, concealing with the Smart Shade Concealer under my eyes and any other little challenges that I have on my skin that's getting concealed as well. I'm going to add some loose finishing powder in my T-zone in light medium just to keep the shine down. Using the Smoky Eye Trio eyeshadows in Coppery Blaze, I'm going to use the gold shade onto my eyelids, then using the brown shade and add it to the creases for more definition. I'm going to create a subtle cat eye using the pen eyeliner and just give a little subtle wing at the end. 2 coats of the multi-benefit mascara on each eye because why not? It's date night. I'm going to brush up the brows with the brow styler and set them. Next, I'm going to use the Gel Smooth liner in Pink About It and draw a line on the bottom of my lash line and blend it out. Using the powder bronzer in shade Sun Kiss, I'm going to bronze it up. A little bit of coral on the apples of my cheeks. I love this powder blush. Adding some highlighter to my cheekbones using the Instant Glow Highlighting Duo in shade Talk Pinky to Me. Lastly, treat yourself with the Lip Vibes lipstick. Beautiful bold lip. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my New Year's Eve makeup look for a dinner date. I hope you guys have a good night.